Elasticity of supply. Degree of responsiveness or sensitivity of quantity supplied of a product to a change in its price would be the elasticity of supply. Measurement of elasticity of supply. Elasticity of supply is measured by percentage method. Percentage method. Percentage change in quantity supplied is measured in relation to percentage change in its price. Definition. It is the percentage change in supply of a commodity due to 1% change in on price of a commodity. Elasticity of supply is equal to percentage change in quantity supplied divided by percentage change in price. If the ratio of two percentages is equal to 1, elasticity of supply is equal to unity. If the two ratios are less than 1, elasticity of supply is less than unity. If the two ratios are greater than 1, elasticity of supply is greater than unity. Percentage change in quantity supplied is represented as Q0 minus Q1 divided by Q0 into 100. Percentage change in price is shown as P0 minus P1 divided by P0 into 100. Where Q0 is old quantity, Q1 is new quantity, P0 is old price, P1 is new price. Q0 minus Q1 is equal to change in Q, P0 minus P1 is equal to change in price. So finally elasticity of supply is equal to change in Q over change in P into P over Q. Where change in Q is small change in quantity supplied, change in P is small change in price, P is old price, Q is old quantity. Unit elastic supply. In this, price increase from 2 to 3, quantity supplied increases from 100 to 150. Elasticity of supply is equal to 1, where quantity supplied change by the same percentage as price changes. Unit elastic supply is represented as follows, where supply curve starts from the origin. Relative elastic supply. Price increases from 2 to 3, quantity supplied increases from 100 to 200. Elasticity of supplies is equal to 2, which is greater than 1. Supply is relatively elastic, where quantity supplied change by a larger percentage than the price change. If price of a commodity increases by 1%, its supply would increase by 2%. Graphically, it is represented as where supply curve starts from the price axis. Relative inelastic supply. Price increases from 2 to 3, quantity supplied increases from 100 to 120. Elasticity of supply is 0.4, which is less than 1. Percentage change in quantity supplied changes by a lower percentage than percentage of price change. If price of a commodity increases by 1%, its supply would increase by 0.4%. Graphically, relative inelastic supply curve is shown as where supply curve starts from the quantity axis. Perfect inelastic supply. In perfect inelastic supply, change in Q is equal to 0. Elasticity of supply is equal to 0. There is no change in quantity supplied when price changes. Figure shows the perfect inelastic supply curve, which is parallel to the price axis, and quantity supplied remain the same whether prices increases or decreases. Perfect elastic supply. In this, elasticity of supply is equal to infinity. Quantity supplied is unlimited as a given price. A figure shows that supply is unlimited at a certain price.